Hi everyone, this is Cindy from CLM Creative in Bologna, Italy. I'm in my room and I want to show you what I brought with me. Now yes, I did bring this little pouch. Yep, this is what I brought. These are the little extras that I brought with me as well. And I did bring this landscape. Yeah, I did this quick sketch, like seriously quick sketch this morning. I don't know what possessed me to bring this. These two actually. Oh my goodness, I don't have time. I also brought this. This is the Paul Rubens 5x5 by 4-inch paper. It's a pad. And it does have its own palette here. See? I don't know what possessed me to bring this as well because I don't have time. Don't have time to use this. Poor thing. Anyway, so I did. I did bring my little ring. Oh yes, I did paint with this ring finger, the ring palette. I did paint this quick scene while I was having breakfast. A little croissant, a little coffee, cappuccino. So, the contents of this bag. And I've been doing tons of sketches already. I did bring my sketchbook, my Etchr sketchbook. I don't know what size is this. I put everything in the pocket. What size is this? A5 size, whatever that means. I don't remember these sizes, but it's A5 landscape size. As you can see, started sketching. Yeah, my little wine glass, rosé with a little lipstick mark there. Some other stuff, other things, other sketches. So, brought that, brought this, and this is what I have. These are the ingredients that I bought, the supplies with me. I bought 4 watercolor pencils because I do sketch in pencil, watercolor pencil. I do sketch in watercolor pencil. So I bought that. Turn it over. I got this number 1 flat head. I got some of the Meeden. I took 2 Meeden water brushes with me. And this is the other size. One of them is a flat. It's a flathead watercolor brush. And this one is a round. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a round. Let's see if I can just take it out. Yeah, see, it's a round. It's a round tip. There's that. It's hard to put it back in. I'll do it later. Okay, and this is the Blackwing, number 602. Brought that with me. I bought the Fumui travel brushes. I bought 3 Etchr brushes that I got from the holiday pack. Number 15 round, as well as the number 6 and the number 10 round brushes. I also brought with me a micron pen, 0.05 micron in sepia color. So this is what I brought with me. I just took the sleeve out of a pencil case I have. This pencil case came with detachable pencil sleeves, so I bought that. Just brought 1 sleeve. And this is the little unique item I created. I'll show you how I use it. I have this. This was based on Sketches and Scrubs video, her last year's video on her trip to Fabriano Acquarello Festival, Watercolor Festival. She made this little concoction, and I just added this for the watercolor, for the water cup. I'll show you. Yeah, I know, I did this like last minute. It's not the best cut, but hey, it's a job. Let me show you how it's done. So put that there. Let me take this off first. Get this. See, all I really needed was the Etchr sketchbook. I really didn't need to bring these 2 other items. I just wasn't thinking. I thought maybe I'll do it. Every second of the day I'll be out there plein air painting. So this is how you do it. Add this like that. And then That's like that. Open it like that. Put it there. Put the water cup there. See, with the little hole. Fits right in. I don't need it that deep. That's deep enough for me. Doesn't have to be that deep. So yeah, that's how it is. And then with that, I bought 2 paint palettes. Bought one little small one. See? That goes there. This is the first small one. So that goes there. That's magnetic. And I usually have this there. I have that there. Or sometimes I do it like this as well. I do it like this. And then this is like that. So that's, I do it either way. That sticks. I have this small one. That's a small one. And I also brought the other thing. I also brought this. This nice big one. See, I usually have it like this. I brought this big palette. I usually have it like that. I usually have it like this. And that's how I paint. That's how I paint. That's what I've been using so far. So I have that. So I bought these 2 palettes. Bought these 2 palettes. Put that there. Put that there. Brought this. I also brought some Bahang paper to do my ACEOs, Artist Collectible Edition and Originals. I plan to be selling these because I'm painting them here in Bologna, Italy. I also have my sweatband. I have the sweatband to wipe off the brushes. Let's see, what other goodies do I have in here? I have clips. Oh yes, and I do this too. I do this to hold the clip. And sometimes if I find that I need more room for whatever reason, like I need this for something else, usually this works fine too, to do that. So you do have that option. Put that there. And so I brought that clip. I brought another clip too. Also magnetic, because you can never have enough of these. I bought 2. 2 of these is just fine. 2 of these clips. They're just fine. See? So, other goodies I never used it. I haven't used this yet, but I bought this masking tape. Bought some more clips, because you never have enough clips. See, never have enough clips. Oh, of course, the water bottle. Isn't this cute? Got one of the little tiny little travel cases that I got. I brought that water bottle, and I also have a little mini water bottle, slim size too, just to have. And I did bring this. I don't know why. This was one of the a water cup as well. This is before I decided to bring this, because believe it or not, last minute, I decided to, I made this at the very last minute. The flight was in the afternoon. I made this in the morning. So that's why the circle isn't cut perfectly. What else do I have? I have some tissues. You never have enough tissues as well. Let's see, what do I have in here? Oh, yes. Oh, I did bring some more Etchr watercolor brushes. Etchr travel brushes. I don't know what number size this is. Number 2 and the number 8. The 2 and the 8. I haven't used these yet, but you never know. they weigh nothing, so I just decided to throw them in. Oh, and I also brought this too. This is a good to cropping photos and such. This little device here. So I bought that. So yes, all this fit in this bag. This has worked out very well for traveling. Oh, and I also have this collapsible water bottle. You see, and it also has this, so you could just plop this right here. You fill it up with water, and you plop it right here. So there you have it. This is a crossbody bag, so it's perfect. I didn't want a checked bag. I wanted only to have a carry-on, so this worked out very well. So yeah. So that's what I brought with me to the Fabriano Acquarello Watercolor Festival 2026 in Bologna, Italy. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave any comments or questions below. And pretty soon you'll be seeing videos from my trip in Bologna. Watch out for that. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.